Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data. Back up your files now, because this is irreversible once you wipe the old drive. Next, download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool and make a bootable USB. This creates a clean installer that avoids cloning pitfalls. Once done, install the SSD into the M.2 or SATA bay, tighten the screw, and set SATA to ASI in firmware. For NVMe, just make sure it's fully seated. Make sure power is off while connecting hardware. You now boot the PC from the USB installer using UEFI. If needed, press the firmware key, pick the USB, and disable Legacy CSM. Windows 11 installs best on GPT/UEFI systems. Once setup loads, pick Custom Install. Then delete existing system partitions on the target drive so Windows can create the correct EFI and MSR partitions automatically. Select the unallocated space on your SSD and click Next. The installer copies files and restarts several times. This is normal. Let it finish until you reach the OOB screens. You finish by completing setup. Create or sign into your account, apply preferences, and install drivers. Start with the chipset and storage drivers so performance and NVMe power states work right. When the OS is stable, set the SSD as the first boot device in UEFI and remove the USB installer. Once in Windows, enable Trim and run Windows Update. If the system won't boot, don't panic. Try Startup Repair from the installation USB, confirm the drive uses GPT with UEFI, and re-enable Secure Boot if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.